Imagine a time before airplanes, when enormous airships ruled the skies. These gentle giants, held aloft by lighter-than-air gases, offered a majestic way to travel. The earliest airships took flight in the late 19th century. They were filled with hydrogen, a gas much lighter than air. One of the most famous airships was the Hindenburg, a marvel of engineering and luxury. Sadly, the Hindenburg met a tragic end in 1937, bursting into flames and ending the first era of airship travel. The cause of the disaster was the flammable nature of hydrogen. Today, we have safer alternatives to hydrogen, such as helium. This, combined with advances in materials and technology, has sparked a renewed interest in airships. These modern airships are safer, more efficient, and hold tremendous potential for a greener future. How do these enormous vessels stay afloat? The answer lies in a simple principle: buoyancy. Just as a boat floats on water because it's less dense, an airship floats in the air because the gas inside it is lighter than the surrounding air. Think of a hot air balloon. The hot air inside the balloon is less dense than the cooler air outside, so it rises. Airships work in a similar way, but instead of hot air, they use lifting gases like helium. Helium is much lighter than air, allowing the airship to float effortlessly. By adjusting the amount of helium in the envelope, the airship can control its altitude. Engines and propellers provide thrust, allowing the airship to move forward and steer. It's a delicate balance, a graceful dance between buoyancy, thrust, and control. When we think of air travel, we usually picture airplanes. They are fast, efficient, and have revolutionized transportation. But airplanes have their drawbacks. They consume vast amounts of fuel, contributing significantly to air pollution. They also require extensive infrastructure like runways and airports. Airships, on the other hand, offer a gentler, more sustainable alternative. They use significantly less fuel than airplanes, especially for long distances. This is because they rely on buoyancy for lift, not powerful engines. This makes them much more environmentally friendly, emitting far fewer greenhouse gases. Furthermore, airships don't need runways to take off or land. They can land on water or even on relatively flat ground. This makes them ideal for reaching remote areas with limited infrastructure. Their ability to hover in place also makes them perfect for surveillance, research, and even tourism. The future of aviation is not just about flying higher and faster. It's about flying smarter and greener. Airships represent a return to a more sustainable form of air travel, one that respects our planet. They offer a unique combination of fuel efficiency, versatility, and minimal environmental impact. Imagine a world where airships transport cargo across continents, delivering goods to remote communities without the need for roads or runways. Imagine scientists using airships as airborne laboratories, studying climate change or monitoring wildlife populations. Imagine tourists enjoying breathtaking views from the comfort of a luxurious airship cabin, floating silently over stunning landscapes. This is the future that airships promise, a future where innovation and sustainability go hand in hand. But to realize this vision, we need to invest in research and development. We need to support the companies and engineers who are pushing the boundaries of airship technology. Let's work together to bring back the giants of the sky and create a greener, more sustainable future.